In today's video, we're going to discuss which CRM is the best for your small business, so stay tuned. Guys, welcome to the Mr. Bubbles channel where we dish out awesome pressure washing business advice to beginners. Now, I got a great video for you guys. You saw from the intro there, we're going to be talking about CRM. Remember, CRM stands for Customer Relations Management Software. We're going to be specifically talking about Jobber and why I think it's the best CRM program for your business. Now, before we get into that, a quick announcement, guys. I am hosting a GMB Mastermind. Now, GMB stands for Google My Business. So this Mastermind is a Zoom call, so you can watch it from, or you can attend it from your living room, from your home office, or from your cell phone. Guys, this is one of those things that you do not want to miss. It's going to be on the 15th of January. That's a Wednesday. It's going to be from 8 p.m. Eastern time to about 9:30. Now, I only have 25 spots available, so make sure that you sign up. To sign up, all you got to do here in the description of this video, you're going to see, all about it, all the information, and the link is right there. Guys, click on that link, pay the fee, go ahead and sign up, because again, you know how I talk about this all the time on the channel, guys, that making a lot of money in this business is not about the equipment. It's about the skill sets, the knowledge that you have that others do not have. The more knowledgeable you become, the more money you're going to make. And this is one of those skill sets, learning how to optimize your Google My Business, that is very difficult to learn on your own. So I highly recommend you attend this class, because we're going to teach you all the things like optimization, SEO, keyword research. We're going to do map citations, eminent domain backlinks, tagging, how to tag your pictures, all of that good stuff. This is going to be a in-depth tutorial, like a true how-to. So I highly recommend you click on that, because again, the spots are gonna sell quick. So I'll see you guys on that Zoom call. But now that we got that out of the way, let's go ahead and jump in. As you guys well know, about 3-4 months ago, I switched from my old CRM program to Jobber. Guys, I can't even begin to tell you how in love I am with this company. I haven't really mentioned them that much yet, because in the background, we've been using it, because, I only bring things to you guys that have been lab tested by me. So I wasn't quite ready to come to you guys yet and show you, how great Jobber is and why I recommend it to you guys as well. Now, how I came about Jobber is actually an interesting story as well, because as you guys well know, I coach a lot of people in the industry. Right now, I have about 110 clients, and a lot of my clients, about 25-30% of them, use Jobber as their CRM, so they mention it to me a lot. Now, let's go back about 4 or 5 months ago. I was looking for a CRM program that could house my coaching business. That's how this whole thing started. So what I did is I did a bunch of research, and I looked into 3 different ones, Jobber being one of those CRM programs. Now, I won't even mention the other 2, because, I don't want to, give a bad mouth to the other companies, because they simply did not work for me. But anyway, so with Jobber, wow, I got 3 things on this for you on why I decided to switch. Not just, I don't just use it for my coaching business now. I also use it for my main business, Mr. Bubbles. So the reason for that being is this, guys. Number 1, it's for me, it's all about workflow. I'll be honest with you guys, I've been around for a hot minute, and I've used many programs through the years. As a matter of fact, guys, when I first started in my business, I used to have just a bunch of notepads like a lot of you guys do right now, and you're probably chuckling when you're listening to this. Then I migrated to spreadsheets. That worked okay for a little bit. And then I remember right around my 3rd season, I bought a bunch of different programs, some that I liked, some that I didn't like. One of the programs that I bought back in the day was like a QuickBooks software thing. I found it to be complex, almost like you need to be an accountant to understand it. So it did not work for me. Eventually, I ran into a CRM program that's no longer around. Then I tried another one that I can't even remember the name of it. Then eventually, I came to my old one that you guys know so well, and now I am with Jobber. I'll be honest with you guys, I'm not switching ever again. This company is truly, truly amazing. And the number one thing that I love about Jobber is its workflow. Now, what do I mean by workflow? What I mean is the easiness with which you can, for example, onboard a customer, like how you can just go on there, hit clients, add a person, super easy. And then for you to take that person from putting them onboarding to actually creating like an estimate for them, and then eventually turning that estimate into an invoice, and then eventually billing on that invoice. That's what I mean by workflow. So from your onboarding all the way to collecting, that whole process is what I mean by that workflow, that onboarding workflow. And one of the features that I love about their workspace, guys, is they have a little button at the top that says create. And then when you click on that, it shows it's basically like a shortcut for you to create jobs or invoices or add a new client. I find I find the Jobber system very simple to navigate. It doesn't matter if you're an old head like me and you've been around the game for a minute, or you're brand new and you've never used a CRM program before. It's very, very easy to navigate. It's like CRM for dummies, guys. I really, really like how the system looks. It's very easy for me to go in there and figure things out. So that's a huge plus. The second thing that I really, really love about Jobber, it's probably, I'll be honest with you, I think it's the thing I kind of love the most about its program, is that it has so many scalability functions. I'll show you what I mean by that. So one of the things that I love the most is the marketing aspect of it. Now, this is an upsell for them. Like, you have to add this service on. It doesn't come with like the initial membership, but guys, check this out. So you can go on there and add, like, for example, how you got your customers, and this will create a chart for you so you know from month to month where your marketing is most effective, so you know where to spend your marketing dollars. That's what I mean by scalability. Like, as you grow your company, because of course, a lot of you guys listening to me right now, you're like, oh, I don't really need that. That sounds kind of fancy. I don't need that for my business. Of course, a lot of you guys are going to go with the simpler options first. But again, guys, in a year or 2 years, you're going to be scaling your company up. You're going to be making a lot of money, and you need to track these things, guys. You need to track, for example, where did that customer come from? Google My Business, postcard? Was it a referral? Like, this is how you're going to track it through your CRM program. Guys, quick announcement. I've created a digital product called Mr. Bubbles Business in a Box. Check this out. Okay, so the Mr. Bubbles Business in a Box is actually a thumb drive that we're going to send to you guys to your physical address. And when you get this thumb drive, you're going to see a folder that's called Box in it. And then when you open it, you're going to see all of these files right here, guys, all of these folders. And guys, this thing has over 500 files, anything and everything I've ever created from my business. So all of the blueprints, training modules, documents, all of the things that you guys constantly email me about, your pricing PDF, your for example, your marketing blueprints, anything that you could need for your business is in here. That's why we call it a business in a box. One of the things that I really like about this is, guys, check out all of these pictures. So you have a total of 300 before and after pictures that you guys can add to your website and your Facebook and your Google My Business. And check this out. So there's a folder called Google SEO. And the pictures already have the SEO words in them. And this one photo right here has over 300 This specific folder has 190 pictures, but all in all, it's over 300 pictures. Look at some of these pictures, guys. Amazing before and afters pictures for you guys to be able to add to all of your social medias and whatnot. This is going to help you get a lot of customers. And of course, your edible postcards are on here. And then finally, you got training videos on here as well, guys. Like, for example, the video on how to optimize your Google My Business, the Mr. Bubbles. You got several videos, so they're like training modules. You got all the PDFs. The bottom line, guys, is this. This is going to help you with your business. So don't miss out. Make sure that you email us so you can get your business in a box today. In order to get your business in a box, you just got to hit the link in the description of this video. And I say this all the time on the channel, guys. The more you know, the more you grow. That's how come I decided to create this business in a box, because it has everything in there you need to be able to grow your business. And I really believe that this is going to be a game changer for you. Guys, you do not want to miss out on this one. Another great add-on service that they have when we're talking about scalability is they have this whole little section that is just expense reports like P&L. Absolutely love that, where you can add your receipts and all your expenses, and it can track all of this stuff for you. This is something that we do right now outside of our, not in-house. We have an accountant that we hire that does that for us. We're going to incorporate that into our, our daily routine here at Mr. Bubble. So we're super excited about those two features right there. Another thing that I love is like timesheets that my guys can actually punch in through the app. Absolutely love the app as well. Everything that I find with Jobber, guys, to me, seems like it's very, very easy to coordinate and figure things out on your own. But let me tell you about the third thing, and this is absolutely, a lot of you guys have been emailing me and asking me why I switched from my old CRM to Jobber. This is the number one reason, guys. It's because of their customer service. Guys, if you have a question, and when you sign up for Jobber, and by the way, I forgot to mention this in the beginning. Here in the description of this video, guys, I will put a link to you for you to sign up with Jobber for a free sign up, because it is going to help you when you sign up. Again, you don't have to put in your credit card or anything like that. It's a free trial. And then you'll get to, see how the navigation of it works. You're going to see exactly what I'm talking about, how easy the system really is. But, if you have a question, that's what I love about Jobber. You can reach out to them and bam, they are going to answer your questions, guys, like at a snap of a finger. I talk about this all the time on my channel, how customer service all around, all over the country is dead. Well, guess what, guys? A Jobber, it's very much alive. It's the number one thing, I think, in my opinion, that separates Jobber from every other CRM out there in the marketplace is customer service, guys. I've had 3 or 4 of their people reach out to me. I did a Zoom call with one of their representatives where, it was like a 35-minute Zoom call, guys, where they broke down for me like all of the little things and all of the little gadgets and little apps and things like that within the program. So I am absolutely in love with this company. I love their customer service. Their people super friendly, super knowledgeable, and I feel like, man, I can really now take my company even to the next level, having such an amazing system, right? Because we talk about this all the time in all my videos. SOMA stands for Sales, Operations, Marketing, Administration. Administration being one of the pillars, guys. Without good administration and the foundation of an administration in today's, modern age is a CRM program. And the one that I recommend for you guys is Jobber. Guys, do not lollygag on this one, because man, you're going to thank me later on how much easier everything, all of your systems and all of your process will become when you sign up for Jobber. But yeah, that's all I got for you guys today. I really appreciate you coming to the channel and watching this pressure washing advice video. Highly recommend you guys watch the next one as well. Guys, in the next episode, we're going to be breaking down the 50K challenge, what I call the 50K challenge, explain to you guys what that is and how you can implement that into your business. Also, make sure that you email me. I have some amazing resources, free resources for you guys, like your marketing blueprint, your pricing PDF with all your updating pricing for 2025. So make sure you guys email me for that, and I will send you back those files. But yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bubbles out.